Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial, we are going to find a solution to this interesting system of equations. We want to find the values of a, b, c, and d that will satisfy the system a plus b equal to 8, c multiplied by d equal to 1, a divided by c equal to 4, and b minus d equal to 4. Alright, let's form these equations. We have that a plus b is equal to 8. We have seen that c multiplied by d is equal to 1. And we have also seen that a divided by c is equal to 4. And finally, b minus d is also equal to 4. Let us name these equations. Let me call this one equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, and equation 4. Let me start with equation number 1. From equation 1, we can make a the subject by taking b to the other side. So we have a equals 8 minus b. 8 minus b. Which equation contains a again? We have equation number 3. Let me mark this one. From equation 3, we can also make a the subject. From equation 3, if you multiply both sides by c, you have a to be equal to 4c. A equals 4c. You can now see that both this equation and this equation are expressed in terms of a. So if a equal to this, a equal to this, it implies that their right hand side must be the same. So we can now equate them. 8 minus b must be equal to 4c. Let me call this equation number 5. Okay, let's go back to the other equations. You can see that equation 2 and equation 4 all contains d. So we can make d the subject. So let me take equation number 2 first. So from equation number 2, if we decide to make d the subject, it's as simple as dividing both sides by c. Therefore, d equal to 1 divided by c. D equal to 1 divided by c. And from equation number 4, to make d the subject, it is the same thing as b minus 4. D equal to b minus 4. So you can see that both this equation and this equation are expressed in terms of d. Hence, we are going to equate their right hand sides. Therefore, 1 divided by c is equal to b minus 4. Let me see what happened in this equation that we have just formed. You can see it contains c and b. So we may decide to make either c or b the subject here and plug it back into that equation. I think let us make b the subject. So b here is equal to 1 over c plus 4. Let me call this equation number 6. So we are going to substitute equation number 6 into equation number 5. All right, here is equation number 5. We are going to plug in equation number 6 into this equation. And equation number 6 is expressed in terms of b. So wherever we have b here, we are going to replace it with 1 divided by c plus 4. So this is 8 minus b, but b is 1 divided by c plus 4. Right? And this is equal to 4c. Expand. This is 8 minus 1 divided by c minus 4 equal to 4c. You can see that 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. So this is 4 minus 1 over c equal to 4c. Multiply every single time by c just to clear this fraction. So 4 times c is 4c minus 1 divided by c times c is 1. This is equal to 4c squared. Let us take every single term to the other side. We have 4c squared there. As this crosses over, it becomes negative 4c. As this crosses over, it becomes positive 1, and the whole of this equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation that we can solve by factorization. If you take 4, you multiply by 1, that will give us 4. Then think of two numbers you can multiply to get this 4, and when you add them together, you get negative 4. The numbers must be negative 2, negative 2. If you multiply them together, you shall obtain this one. And if you add them together, you must get -4. So how do we factorize them? Using shortcut, you take c minus 2, right? Minus 2, but divide by the leading coefficient, which is 4. You do the same thing here. C minus the other one, divide by the leading coefficient. This is equal to 0. These two factors are exactly the same. So it's the same thing as c minus 2 divided by 4 is 1/2 whole squared, right? Equal to 0. By taking square root of both sides, you have c minus 1/2 equal to 0. And you can see finally c, if you take -1/2 to the other side, it becomes +1/2. So this is the value of c. All right, let us go back and see whether we have any equation written in terms of c. Oh, we have a nice one here. So we can solve for b by substituting the value of c here. So let me just copy this one. So from this nice equation, you can see that b equal to 1 divided by, or let me use this division sign, 1 divided by c, which is 1/2 plus 4. And you know, you can simply take a reciprocal of this and change this to multiplication. This is 1 times 2 divided by 1 times 4, plus 4, sorry, plus 4. 2 divided by 1 is 2 times 1 is still 2 plus 4 is 6, and hence b is equal to 6. Okay, I think we have a and d to find. We have a nice equation written in terms of a. Let me find it. Okay, we have another one here. We can find d here. So from this equation, d is equal to b minus 4, and b is 6 minus 4, and d is equal to 2. What else? A. Because we have obtained c, b, and d remain a. I think we have a nice equation here in terms of a. All right, you can see that here. A is equal to 4 multiplied by c. We have a lot of them. We have another one here, but let me just take this one. So from this equation, a is equal to 4 times c. A equal to 4 times c is 1/2. Remember, it is here. C is 1/2. So half of 4 is 2. So a is equal to 2. So let's bring all the solutions in one place. We have a, we have b, we have c, and we have d. You can see that a is equal to 2 from here. D is 2. D is 2. I could remember c is 1/2. Then b is 6. Yeah, b is 6. And hence, this is just the solution to this problem. But if you like, you can test it in the main equation to see whether this is true or not. Let me just copy this. Okay. If you consider a plus b is equal to 8, is that true? This is a, this is b. 2 plus 6 is indeed 8. Then c times d is 1. Where is c? This is c. This is d. 1/2 times 2 is indeed equal to 1. Right? What about a divided by c? Where is a? A divided by c. You know, a divided by, okay, let me use the values. 2 divided by 1/2 is the same thing as 2 times 2/1, which is equal to 4. You can see this is 4. Then lastly, b minus d. B minus d, 6 minus 2 is 4. And hence, the values of a, b, c, and d are 2, 6, 1/2, and 2 respectively. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.